Welcome back to the vlog. I'm here with Alex Hoskins.
We're gonna have to do some ball testing today.
Ball testing, and let me tell you this, I didn't roll out of bed till 11 a.m. He's been here since, what, 8?
Yep.
He drilled me these balls while I was still in bed.
Must be nice to be PBA professional, right?
I feel like you wouldn't do this for just any PBA professional.
No, not at all. Just keep bowling doubles with me.
Oh yeah, he's my doubles partner. We run in there and we're the defending champions. We're the member, non-member in the West, so they're laid out the same. There's something different between the two. I don't know what it is. Alex isn't gonna tell me.
Yep. You're just gonna be blindly doing this, and we'll see if your intuition can kind of pick it up.
Let's go try them out. I've been throwing these dart coats for a little bit, warmed up. They're laid out the same. The only thing I can see between the two balls so far is one flares more. So that tells me there might be a core difference. I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. But we're using Specto. Oh, it's gone. Bam! The 20 shots, 10 with each. We're gonna look at the data, see how they're different. You know, if you look at my Specto analysis, my shots, I look like a 190 average bowler. It's okay. Repeatability is not what my game is centered around, although very important, and it should be. I focus more on versatility, and making sure my hand's doing the right thing. I lose a little bit of consistency. I'm not in my comfort zone, playing my A game most of the time. I'm trying to do what ends up with me manipulating the ball. Of course, my repeatability is gonna be pretty bad. I'm just making excuses for my Specto. All right, so Alex told me, but I can't tell you what it is. They're both legal, right? Technically. Yeah. They're both legal. I can't tell you guys what it is. I'm not gonna say anything beyond that. But it's very interesting information. Very interesting information, I'll just say that. All right, welcome to the next segment of our storm tour. Actually, it's not really a tour because we get the special treatment, but we're gonna go shopping for a ball in the warehouse. What we're gonna drill, we don't know. Maybe something for this weekend, because apparently they're gonna be hard. They're putting bear out. It's fairly flat. It's not as flat as it used to be, but Alex says this house is gonna play difficult. I believe him. He's pretty smart. Let's find a ball. So we're heading over to the secondary warehouse at the storm plant. I personally haven't seen it yet. I think last time I came down, they were still building it, but we can't film inside because there's some stuff in there that you guys aren't allowed to see. So we'll see you when we exit warehouse number 2. All right, got some tape. I needed this bad, very bad. All right, everybody, I think we're narrowing down our search. So since they're gonna be playing hard, I actually thought to drill a wild streak because of the strong cover, the high RG, kind of that. It's just a ball that makes sense for me when they're hard. Something that'll blend it out with strong cover, but shoot through that middle part of the lane with the RG. So we're thinking High Road Max. It's kind of the same concept as a wild streak. It's got a really strong cover. It's got high RG. So we'll see if we can pop some holes in the Max and see a shape that's different from everything else in our bag. Alex is doing all the heavy lifting. Like I said, man, this guy's just taking care of me. Staying at his house, drilling balls for me, lifting 60-pound case boxes around for me. Helps me win titles too.
This one's gonna be a little tricky to get into.
Literally, the one he wants is in the hardest spot to get. Are we satisfied with our find?
That's the one.
That's the one.
It's the one for the win this weekend.
Oh yeah. What's the stipulation if I do win with that ball?
10%.
10%.
Pretty good deal.
It's a Jordan Asberg deal. You're gonna make me sign a contract too? Back in the lab. Bam. I don't throw this ball very often. I'm trying to figure out a layout.
Green and green.
Green and green.
Money.
It's meant to be. Color of money. All right, so I see myself throwing this piece a little later in the block. Need something a little more tame. Like I can't throw High Road Pro or Zen because they're just a little too erratic.
We'll go a little bit weaker on this. We'll do like a, you're not gonna like it, but a 6-inch pin.
I'm not gonna complain. Whatever works, works.
And symmetrical balls, so this number won't make too big of a difference, but it will kind of shift where the CG ends up, which could be a little bit important.
The people in the comment section have been telling me to get one of these.
Storm Arc Ruler.
The Arc Ruler.
Super good. What's your PAP again?
4 3/4 over, 7/8 up. And then the ring fingers are 30 seconds shorter from the middle.
I'll get that right this time.
Yeah, I went from throwing my balls to the ones you drilled. And I actually felt a pinch when I went to the dart code because I was trying to shove my finger in as far as I normally do on my stuff. There she is, the finished product. Alex said, clean, heavy in the mid lane, and continuous. That's what this layout on this ball has given us. On top of the other secret things that we discussed earlier that we could not tell you. And I apologize for not being able to tell you, but it really is for the best that we don't tell you. I'm sorry. Alrighty, we just got done trying out that new High Road Max. It's definitely different. Oh god. Definitely different. 6-inch pin on it. Didn't look so good downstairs, but they hook a lot here. Couldn't really play too straight. I drilled it to hook the lane. A little bit of that float with the higher RG. Like I said earlier, you guys already heard. We're gonna get ready to go play some golf. Let me know in the comments. If you could play golf with one of us, who would you want to play golf with? The mastermind behind the bowling balls or the chud that throws them? Well, that's about as good as you can be. Gotta stretch a little.
Throw some legs.
Oh.
Right at it.
Good putt though, good putt. All right guys, this hole's 340 yards. There's a creek right there, 280 out. I cleared it on that second drive. Here we go. I've never made eagle. I need to make this for my first eagle. Can we do it? The answer is no.
A few moments later.
The final. We had a couple 8s in there. In places that probably shouldn't have. All right, tomorrow starts the regional weekend. I will be picking PJ up from the airport tomorrow at some point. We have practice session, matchmaker, and all that good stuff, so tune in to tomorrow's vlog. Peace.